In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill was successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!